Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be solving the Leet code question single number 3. So in this question we're given an array of numbers nums in which exactly two elements appear only once and all of the other elements appear exactly twice. So we need to find the two elements which appear once and we need to return that. Alright, so it's pretty simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to maintain a count of how many times we come across a number. And we're going to do this with a dictionary, so count, and we're going to initialize an empty dictionary. So now we're going to iterate through all of our numbers. So for num in nums, and what we're going to do is if num is not in our count, then in that case we're going to add it to our dictionary. So count, and we're going to add the number, and we're going to give it a value of 1. So it has a count of 1 the first time we come across it. So else, if num is already inside of our dictionary, then we're just going to add a count of 1 to that. So count num plus equals 1. And then after we go through all of the elements inside of the nums array, then we're going to return the key value for key comma value in all of the items in our dictionary. So count.items. And now we need to check if the value, and we're only going to return it when the value is equal to 1. So if value is equal to 1. So we're going to return the key whenever the value in our dictionary is equal to 1. So let's submit our answer. Alright, and as you can see, our submission did get accepted. And finally, do let me know if you have a better solution to solve this. And don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you.